Good morning, students. Let us come. We will continue chapter 4 Weather and Climate from your SST book. So, students, I hope you have understood about weather and climate in the previous video which I have given you. So, today we will see the heat zones of the earth. So, let us begin. Heat zones. Heat zones means garam kshetra. Okay. So there are 3 heat zones on the earth. Okay, students. So let us read the text and then I will explain it. Heat zones. We can divide the earth into 3 heat zones on the basis of the difference in their temperature. So students, पूरी धरती को 3 हीट जोन के आधार पे बांटा गया है और ये बंटवारा वहाँ के तापमान के बेसिस पे, तापमान के आधार पे किया गया है. ओके, सो डिड यू गेट इट दिस मच? ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी फर्स्ट वन. ओके, टोरिड जोन. टोरिड जोन मीन्स गरम क्षेत्र. ओके, गरम क्षेत्र. The torrid zone or the tropical zone lies on both sides of the equator. Okay, between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The climate is hot and humid throughout the year because direct rays of the sun fall over it. So students, here on the globe you can see. Okay, so let me explain and let me tell you. So what is torrid zone? Okay, the red portion of the globe from equator to both side, okay, between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so look at here, this is the equator line. Okay, okay, and this line, okay, sorry, this line. Okay, this line is Tropic of Cancer. Okay, and this line is Tropic of Capricorn. So it is lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn from equator. Okay, so these red areas are called the torrid zone because in this area near the equator the sun rays comes directly. Okay, when it comes directly, the rays doesn't spread, it comes direct. Okay, you have experienced in the summer season, if you go out from the home you get the sun rays direct falling on your head. Okay, like this in the equator region, okay, the sun rays comes direct over it. So this area have very hot. Okay, so this is called torrid zone. So did you get it? Okay, now next one, temperate zone. So same like this, temperate zone also is divided. Okay, the areas lying between the torrid zone and frigid zone in both the hemisphere are called the temperate zone. Okay, the areas lying between the torrid zone and frigid zone. Okay, torrid zone and frigid zone. So look at here, I told this is a Tropic of Capricorn, and this is the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, from here to here. Okay, these areas, yellow areas, you can see in the picture, yellow areas of the both side is called temperate zone, and it is between the Tropic of Capricorn and frigid zone. Frigid zone line is this. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn and frigid zone. Okay, same way here, Tropic of Cancer and frigid zone. Okay, so this both side of these yellow areas are called temperate zone. It is neither very hot nor very cold here, as these zones are away from the equator and also from the poles. So students, here the temperature is very humid. Here neither it is very hot nor very cold, because these areas are far away from the equator. Since it is far away from the equator, the sun rays comes slanting. Okay, slanting, टेढ़ा आता है। ओके, टेढ़ा आता है, जिसके वजह से वहाँ पे सूरज का गर्मी थोड़ा कम पहुँचता है। ओके, इसलिए इस एरिया में ज़्यादा ना तो गर्मी होती है ना तो ठंड पड़ती है। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज फ्रिजिड जोन। ओके, फ्रिजिड जोन ये है बर्फीली एरिया। ओके, द एरियाज लाइंग बिटवीन द आर्कटिक सर्कल एंड नॉर्थ पोल in northern hemisphere and that between the Antarctic circle and the south pole in the south hemisphere are the frigid zone. They receive slanting rays of the sun. It is very cold here throughout the year. So once again let us see this globe. Okay, so both side of the globe there is a poles. Okay, this is called north pole and this is called south pole. Okay, between south pole and Arctic circle. Okay, this is the Arctic circle. Okay, and here also Antarctic circle and pole. Okay, so this frigid zones comes between the North Pole and Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle and South Pole of the both side. Okay, so you can see the blue color areas are called frigid zone. So here it is very cold, because it is so far from the equator and the sun's heat doesn't reach there. Okay, in the temperate zone it comes quite slanting. Okay, but there it is very slanting comes. Again you can experience when in our areas the winter season comes. Okay, winter season comes, you experience the sun's rays comes very slanting over us. Okay, and the sun's heat is very what is called low. Okay, that is why we feel cold in winter season, and in the summer the sun comes straight over the sky and it comes over the head. Okay, so these are the experience, these are the things. Because of these things the frigid zone gets very cold. Okay, and it is covered throughout the snow. Okay, and throughout the cold. So students, I hope you understood the chapter now. Okay, so after listening to my video, you read once again so that you may understand it more clear. Okay, and after listening to the video, you can do exercise number 1. Take the correct answer in your book and send in the WhatsApp group for the correction. Okay.